here, man. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Yeah. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All hell, all hell. Outlaws. Where you at? 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 All they see is black venoms in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac routine types and seldom seen. Iron Mike cut his head like a guillotine. Time for some action. You making me high like Tony Braxton. Buster switching like Dennis Rodman. We still mashing. I put my hand up to God like it's hard, filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle to see who's best. Mike don't hurt them. What they scream, wait, what they need. Like the twin buckets and touch the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row. Hype up the crowd. If you don't like it, what you come for? All hair. 245 to fail the bed stop. Ass kick to split the water like a shark stare. Still struggling. May God help me bubble. Hit the ring, do my thing. All the poles feel trouble. We at now. 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 You next. We at now. We at now. We at now. You next. Round two. Right, left, then left, right. I seen him stutter. Word. He didn't duck and got stuck with your uppercut. Now hear the crowd screaming. It's like they feeding. Oh, don't you love how that black man screaming? Keep it real. Tell Holyfield he next in line. So get his heart problem checked before he stepped to mine. And Selden, I hardly know you. Don't bother me to show you. Let your head get gassed by that fast promoter. Be real forever. So feel my lever in combinations. Connected like Dr. Doc. Steady formation, swift and deadly. Cause this be deadly. I'm a soldier. It's too late now. I tried to told you. We at now. 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 You next. We at now. We at now. We at now. You next. We at. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes. Let's get it on. So what you want? This ain't gonna last long. What you want now? So what you want now? So we gon' watch some DX boys sit. We gon' all get one. 6 groups. So tight. I'm pretty damn. I'm pretty damn. Let's get it on now. So what you want? What you bless now? Let's get it on now. So what you want? Yeah. Let's get ready to rumble. We at now. We at now. We at now. You next. We at now. We at now. Hey, you next. We at.
Barry, my best friend, and I dedicated this fight. I was gonna fight. I dedicated this fight to him. I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one to stop it. Legs to the conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody. I'm Sonny Liston.
Turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up. Looking down the barrel of a nine, get up. Cause it's time to make the baby rap. To my brothers on the block, better stay strapped. Black, and it's set no substitutes. I bring two to the youth, tell the roof from the whole school. I'm turning up the cheek. Case of can't see this one, we burn the other week. Now we got them in the smash, blast. I'm on the line to the pro, get more cash. Until they blaze up, to my young black men, blaze up. Like Sylvester, stress, stress. I'm giving motivate for that to live and bless. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free it, not when they shut me in. Once again, it's an all-out scrap. Keep your hands in your gap, now your boys watch your back. Cause in the alleys out in Cali, I'ma tell ya. Mess with the best and the best couldn't help ya. Scream if you feel me. See it clear, you're too near me. Holla if you hear. So we live like cage beats. Wait for you take like the brakes. Holla if you hear. Still weak to the kill. I love it when you feel me. Holla if you hear. So we live like cage beats. Wait for you take like the brakes. Free. Pump your fist like this. Holla if you hear me. Pump, pump. If you're pissed to the sellouts, living it up. One way or another, you be giving it up. I guess cause I'm black born, I'm supposed to say beat, sing songs,